Welcome, my Kiwis. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. If you've come back, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. This is, there's two cats up there. There's Charles and there's Maurice. They're kind of in the safe zone where they're not sitting on fabric. So what can you do? I chase them all day long. Hi, Kiwis. Hey, so I just got back from the wholesale fabric place where they sell batting and fleece and fusible interfacing. They also sell netting and tulle, and they have some bolts, small bolts of silk crepe. So gorgeous. Anyway, I'm so excited because I was able to go there and look and see what kind of product that I would want to get, and I decided to get the 170 gram instead of the 140 gram. The 140 gram is what I see most people that make these quilted bags, etc. they have, but the 170 gram, it's still puffy, but it's a little bit more condensed, but it puffs out like they're in huge rolls. And when you open it up, it puffs out a little bit more. But I can see where I can utilize the product where there's less waste. Because, you know, this batting is made from the 100% polyester. So I don't know how long it takes that to decompose in the landfill, but less is better. So I'm going to try and be mindful of that. So anyway, I'm so excited that I was able to get that, and they have great products there. So I'll let you know more. So I've got my batting. It doesn't, you can't buy any less than 25 meters. So that's a lot of bags. Anyway, I'm happy. Okay, here it is. Batting. Now I gotta get going, cut everything out, make them up for you. Okay, I've got all the batting done. The tote bags are all in different places across the room because the room's so small. So I did 5 each. So these are the straps. That's the body of the tote bags, and that's the side of the tote bags. And I've cut out everything on this colorway. So they're set to go. And then I've got these here that are ready to go. This is the Japanese style, and these ones here, the cats. So they're ready to be quilted, and then I'll go back and cut out and iron the stabilizer on the other pieces of the other 2 bags. But this right here, this is all prepped to go. Woo! This is the second day of prepping this stuff. All right, bye. Hi, I'm back. So, I'm still working on the tote bags. I've got 3 different prints. I have finished doing the blueprint and the Japanese, this print here, print. Actually, the blueprint is also from the Japanese range. And then I'm finishing up this. So everything is cut out and quilted, and stabilizer on those different pattern pieces for the blue and the red and teal design tote bags. But I still have to cut out, I changed my mind on the handles. So I'm gonna cut out some handles, and I'm going to be quilting the handles and then adding stabilizer to the other things that I need to cut out as well. So this is, let me bring it closer. This is a side panel, so you can see how I've quilted that. It's about an inch apart. I was doing 3/4 of an inch, but an inch is better. It takes a lot of thread. Anyway, so then I'm not even done after that. Then I need to cut out the lining for each one. So I'm going to choose some really cute lining. I was just going to use plain colors, but let's have some fun and just do coordinating lining that works with each print. So I'm going to do this in 2 parts. So this is going to be a part 1, and I'm going to get it up on YouTube, and then I'll have a part 2 for the others. I haven't been filming everything because it would take doubly long to get this done. I really want this done and up on my website this week. Excuse me. And so I can do a pre-order on it. I've made 5 of each bag, and then I'll make more depending on how much more fabric. Like this is the last of this fabric that I have for the kittens, and but I do have another colorway with a gray background, so I might do those as well. But this one seems to be a favorite, so maybe I can get one more bag out of that. I'm not sure, but for now I'm just going to get these done, and so I won't film the lining part. I'll just because it's just getting to be too much. So it's fun to film, but it takes twice as long. Anyway, this is the initial of making tote bags and coin purses and keychain wristlets. So I can do separate videos on those. But for right now, let's just do this, and I will upload, and then I'll send up a part 2. Okay, so this is going to be part 1, and then I'll do another one, hopefully in a week, part 2. Okay, so thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here and watching me with this new upgrade to my website. I'm doing accessories, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.